Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. And today I have another try it, don't buy it for you. And we're going to be taking a look at this great little Pom Pom tassel maker. And this is by a company called Boye. And let me show you what comes in the box. It's got a kit in here that you can literally make tassels from, and tassels and pom-poms from like 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 6 inches. And this is what you get when you get your kit. It comes with all of these little pieces that snap out here, and these are actually your templates for making your tassels. And what you do is you wrap your string or your yarn around and 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 around lots and lots and lots and lots of times until it fills up this space. And then once it fills up the space, you come back and you trim right in this indent here. And you can see where the indent is. That would guide your scissors. Now, here's what I want to tell you. I found the product to be pretty easy to use, except when it came to cutting. And when it came to cutting, what I discovered is because it gets so thick up and over this ridge here, it's a little hard to cut. So I would say anybody under the age of 12 is going to find it a little, maybe, or 10, is going to find it a little hard to use because you've got to really be able to get the strength to get in there, and you got to kind of dig in there with those scissors and get it up and around. But what I do like about this is it also comes with these tiny little pieces. These are little tiny pom-pom makers, and as you can see, these pop apart so that you put this together. It's got a little cut in the center there. You wrap your string around and around and around, and then you pop these apart so that you can get your scissors in there and you can cut it. I like this. I think these are pretty good. I will say your pom-poms are not quite as puffy and fluffy as they could be because you're limited on how much string you can put in there. But it could also be because I used a relatively fat thread. So as to try it, don't buy it, here's what I would say. If you are one of those people that likes to make a lot of pom-poms, you might find this thing to be a good product to use. I would say if you are a person who's just going to make 1 or 2 pom-poms, that there are easier techniques to use, and I, in fact, are going to teach you some of those. So I wouldn't spend the $12 that it costs to get this, this little pom-pom kit maker. But if you like making pom-poms and you find that you have trouble using like a cardboard template or just using your hand for a template, it's not a bad buy. On the try it, don't buy it, I'm going to say don't buy it. It's actually easier to make it on your own. So there you have it. That's Sophie's try it, don't buy it. It's a cool thing and it looks pretty, but I would say don't buy it. For more fun stuff, check us out at Sophie-World.com.